Are we going to see that Bitcoin will pump even higher? Because yes, we came all the way back up to the levels of 30,800 US dollars and we nearly came all the way back to the previous high. So what is going to happen next? Because after this massive pump towards the upside, we could expect that Bitcoin is going to retest this lower support area round about the 28,000 US dollar level where we had this major resistance. But guys, we're going to find out why we could even see that Bitcoin will pump straight away all the way to the 33,000 US dollar level. So guys, watch the video until the end, and now let's directly go over to the charts. And welcome back to B for Crypto. Yes, first of all, sorry for the late update, but I didn't have any internet connection, and that's why I'm doing this video exactly now. And we're going to start on the daily chart, and first of all, yes, we had this great pump towards the upside, and we perfectly bounced off from this support round about the 25,000 US dollar level, and we broke this 28,000 US dollar resistance, and we came all the way back up into this major resistance area. But what is going to happen next? Because yes, after this massive pump, we should expect that Bitcoin is going to retest these lower levels. But first of all, we're going to draw the Fibonacci retracement levels all the way from the bottom, all the way to the top, and then we can see, yes, our retracement level would be in between the 38.2 and the 23.6. So we could expect that the price of Bitcoin will consolidate in these areas. Or guys, I could expect that yes, Bitcoin is going to follow through and that we're going to see a massive candle all the way to the 33,000 US dollar level, and then we're going to retest this area as support. Because yes, resistance becomes support. But let's go on the weekly chart, because clearly if we zoom out on the weekly chart, then we can see, yes, this resistance area was a lot of support in the previous bull run, where we could see that the price movement bounced off from these levels, and as soon as we lost this very important 33,000 US dollar level, we could see that the price movement of Bitcoin dumped all the way down. We had this retest, and then we started with this prolonged bear market. But what could we expect? Yes, after we break the 31,000 US dollar level, which is exactly the top of this resistance area, we could expect our next resistance round about the 33,000 US dollar level. So let's just draw a line exactly in these levels. We're going to draw a horizontal ray exactly in these levels where we can see the next cluster of resistance, and this would be exactly here. So could we expect that the price movement is going to come all the way back up into these regions, and then we're going to test these areas as support, the 30,000 and 31,000 US dollar level, and then we're going to see this consolidation. Because yes, first of all, a lot of people thought that we're going to dump even lower in these regions, and at the moment the overall market thinks, yes, we had this massive pump and we could expect this retracement. But at the moment, the fundamental values with all these institutions, BlackRock, Fidelity entering the market, yes, we could expect that Bitcoin is going to pump even higher. But let's go on the lower time frames on the 15-minute chart. And yes, if you're not subscribed to my free Telegram group, you missed this awesome trade that I posted in a Telegram group exactly in these regions, and we took the trade all the way up and we had this great profit. Yes, the price movement went even higher, but afterwards we saw this consolidation. But at the moment, I really think that we're going to break out from these levels. If we draw the trend line all the way to these levels, then we can see, yes, we are close to seeing this breakout towards the upside. So yes, we could say that we are in some kind of a symmetrical triangle, and a breakout from this trend line could bring the price of Bitcoin even higher. And we're going to take a measured move all the way from the top all the way to the bottom. But guys, this is just a rough estimation, and if we drag it over to the potential breakout point, then our price target would be exactly the 31,000 US dollar level, which would also be the top of this range. But guys, definitely if we're going to break this major resistance, which is round about the 31,000 US dollar, which was previous resistance after we saw this correction after this massive pump, yes, I could expect that we're going to go even higher. Because yes, if we zoom out, then we can see, yes, we had this dump towards the downside where we came all the way back to this very important trend line and the price movement bounced off, and we could see, yes, we came also all the way up to this previous high that we were forming exactly in these regions of 25,000 US dollar where the price movement didn't break this level, and we had this retracement, and now the same scenario applies. We are coming up all the way into these major areas, and we saw this massive pump breaking this area, retesting this resistance as support, and then we saw this continuation towards the upside. And that is also what I expect at the moment, that we came up to this very important level, round about the 31,000 US dollar level, and that we're going to see, yes, Bitcoin is going to pump even higher and that we're going to retest this area, and then we're going to see a consolidation before the next move even higher, breaking the 33,000 US dollar level. So guys, if you like this quick update, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe. And if you want to trade all of these moves, make sure to be in my free Telegram group where I will post all my trades, and also sign up to the exchanges in the video description below, and make sure to be for crypto. And we see each other in the next video.